What if the key to your child's future isn't just good grades or the right college, but the ability to flourish online and off, no matter what life throws at them? In today's world, our kids face pressures we never imagined. Social media that never sleeps, a barrage of digital distractions, and silent battles with anxiety that aren't always visible at home or school. Imagine empowering your child to face criticism with confidence, bounce back from setbacks, and build healthy independence, even as you keep them safe in a fast-changing digital world. Picture open conversations where trust grows naturally, and your teen genuinely shares their highs and lows without fear or secrecy. The secret isn't about monitoring every click or shielding them from every storm. It's about equipping them with life skills, the focus and time management to thrive amidst constant notifications, the emotional intelligence to recognize anxiety or depression and ask for help, the wisdom to make smart online choices, from new friendships to trending apps. If you're ready to guide your child towards resilience, ambition without overwhelm, and a solid foundation for whatever the future brings, it's time to act. Give your child more than answers. Give them the tools to ask the right questions, think critically, and navigate our complex world with courage and clarity. Their journey starts now. Are you ready to lead the way?